25th one. If A, B, C, D are in GP, show that A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. So given that A, B, C, D are in GP, so we can consider the first term small letter A and common ratio R. So we can write A, B, C, D, four numbers in the geometric progression as. So if first term is A is the, these are in GP. So first term we can consider A. So B, second term will be, we can take first term A, second term, then B equal to A into R. Second term, first term into common ratio. So AR. What is C? C is A into first term, second term, third term. So A into R square multiply by common ratio, we get the next term. Then D, what is D? D equal to AR cube. These are the four terms of the GP. Consider these are the four terms of the GP. Now we have to prove that. So we can find the LHS and RHS, then we can prove. So first consider LHS. So LHS equal to A square plus B square plus C square. A square, that is first term itself, A square. A square plus B square, that is B square, AR whole square, that is A square R square. A square R square plus then C square, that is AR square whole square. What is that? AR square whole square. That is the first bracket inside the bracket. Now B square plus, so C is AR square whole square. Now B square plus C square plus D square. What is that? That is B square. That is AR whole square. That is A square R square plus. Then C square. That is AR square whole square. AR square whole square plus. Then B square plus C square plus D square. AR cube whole square. That is AR cube whole square. Then we can simplify and find it. That is equal to, here this is A square plus A square R square plus AR square whole square. That is A square into R square square. That is R raised to 4 into here A square R square. Now next term AR square whole square. That is A square R square all raised to 2 R raised to 4. So A square R raised to 4 plus here AR cube whole square. That is A square then R cube whole square. That is R raised to A raised to M whole raised to N A raised to Mn. So R raised to 3 into 2 R raised to 6. Now we can take common factor. What is common in these three terms? A square we can take common. So 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4 into what is common in these terms? A square R square is common. So we can take that common. A square R square into here 1. Here A square R square common. So R raised to 4 by R square plus AR square R raised to 6 divided by A square R square. That is R raised to 4. Now A square into A square R square, that is outside the bracket. So we can multiply these two. So we get A raised to 4 into R square. Now 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4 into 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4. That is we can write whole square. Same thing multiply 2 times. So whole square we can write. Into 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4 whole square. So this is what LHS. So we got LHS. Now we can find RHS. What is RHS? RHS equal to, that is AB plus BC plus CD whole square. AB, what is AB? A into B. A into AR. A into AR. A into AR. AB plus BC. What is BC? AR into AR square. AR into AR square plus CD. AR square into AR cube. AR square into AR cube whole square. That is equal to A into AR. A square R plus A into A square R into R square R cube plus A into A square R into R cube R raised to. So A square R square into R cube R raised to 5 whole square. Now what is common in this? A square r. Here in this a square r common factor. We can take that. So what we get? So here that is equal to here a square are common. So a square, when you take common factor, because this is whole square, for what you are taking common factor, for that also you have to write whole square. So a square are we are taking common factor, for that there is square bracket inside the bracket, that is. So a square are whole square we have to write. A square are whole square. Now what is inside the bracket here? 1. Here 1. 1 plus. Then here a square are taken common. A square are taken common. So what is a square r cube divided by a square r? So what is that? A square will be cancelled. R cube by r square. So 1 plus here r square. Then plus a square r raised to 5. A square r raised to 5 divided by a square r common. A square r. So a square will be cancelled. R raised to 5 by r raised to 4. Whole square bracket. See, there is square, whole square. So this is what RHS. So we got what is a square r whole square? That is same as a raised to 4 r square into 1 plus r square plus r raised to 4 whole square. Now this is RHS. What is LHS? A raised to 4 r square into 1 plus r square plus r raised to 4 whole square. That is LHS. RHS we got a raised to 4 r square into 1 plus r square plus r raised to 4 whole square. So we got LHS and RHS both same. So we proved that LHS equal to RHS. So we proved that if A, B, C, D are in GP, we proved that A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. So we proved. Then now question number 26. Insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is GP. So first 3 between 3 and 81. Insert two numbers. We have to insert two numbers so that the resulting sequence is GP, geometric progression. So between these two numbers we can insert two numbers. Let the let the numbers be G1 and G2, which are inserted between 3 and 81. So this sequence is GP, geometric progression. So we can consider in this GP, first term is 3. First term we can consider as 3. First term is 3. There are 4 terms in the GP. First term is 3 and 1, 2, 3, fourth term. What is A4, fourth term? That is equal to 81. So A4, what is the formula for A4? That is AR cube equal to 81. So A equal to 3, we can substitute here. So 3 into r cube equal to 81. Therefore r cube equal to 81 by 3, 27. So r equal to 3. 3 cube 27. So r equal to 3. We got A equal to 3, r equal to 3. So we can find G1 and G2. Therefore G1 equal to first term 3 into common ratio. 3 into this common ratio, 3 into 3, 9. And G2 equal to 9 into 3, that is 27. So the two numbers between, so the G1 and G2 are 9 and 27. So 3, 9, 27, 81. This is the resulting GP. So the numbers inserted is 9 and 27. So that's the answer. Okay.